smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money? I'm too smart to be
I'm Crypto Man. There's something funny about this money. I tried to use it and they said I couldn't unless I had exact change. Well, I got change. There will be no such thing as millionaires. There will only be cryptonaires.
Breaking news. The world is over 90% digital right now. I mean, have you been to the grocery store lately? Crypto machines are popping up everywhere. This is very important. Click the link below to learn more. See you soon.
Yo, what's going on? Oh man, that is a video I did last year for a project that I was working on. And here I am probably almost a year later looking at the prices of cryptocurrency. Some of them at least skyrocketing, specifically in Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right, so we're going to get in a little bit to that today. But if it's your first time here, I want to thank you for coming to the channel. All right, I'm going to talk about making money online, generational wealth, mindset, business credit, anything that I can help and assist with, planting seeds with my people so we can move forward. You know what I mean? That's why I'm here. All right, that's my purpose here, to plant seeds with you all. And you know what I'm saying, when you ask that question, where's the money? Hey, look, we showing it to you right here. And I've been talking about, you know, some of these crypto aspects, you know, when I started diving into it last year. All right. So with that being said, let's just go and get into really quick. All right. If you still kind of scared or don't really want to, you're not sure about the cryptocurrencies, let me tell you the easiest way to get into it. All right. The easiest way to get into it. If you got Cash App, you know, Cash App has, I ain't even got my phone in here. Cash App has, you have the ability to get Bitcoin on there. Right, it's like a little line down at the bottom, kind of squiggly line, look like a stock thing. You can press that. You can actually acquire some Bitcoin that way. Okay. So when you acquire that Bitcoin, now you can actually have that Bitcoin. You can send it to other people if you want to pay for something, or you can send it to another wallet, transfer it to another wallet. That's the simplest way. The next simple, in my opinion, the next simplest way is to get on Coinbase. And they have a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. You usually can use your bank account, a debit card, or something like that. But something to be mindful of when you're transacting using platforms like Coinbase and others. Sometimes when you're dealing with the traditional banks, they give you a little pushback, so you might have to call them and verify some of the that you spending money on Coinbase and so on and so forth. Those are the two easiest ways if you just get started. They're pretty user friendly. All right, me personally, I don't really like Coinbase. I've heard too many stories of people getting their stuff. Not because of the crypto aspect, but it's because of the agreements and the policies of that particular platform. So be mindful of that. Go through there, read all that stuff, and go do your own research. I personally like crypto.com, but there's many others. There's Binance, there's MetaMask wallets, Trust wallets, stuff like that. So, but not to scare anybody off, right? The simplest way is Cash App, then it'll be Coinbase, and it's fairly simple to get into if you just getting acclimated to it, all right? But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into just this quick chart update, man. I just want to give you a quick chart update, all right? Let's go ahead and get into this real quick. All righty here, all right? So what I have here is a daily chart, okay, for Ethereum. All right, a daily chart for Ethereum, all right? And according to this specific chart, Ethereum hit about 1440, I think, between today and yesterday. Sometimes these candles are a little off depending on the time code. So yesterday, Ethereum hit about 1440, okay? So that's showing at the daily candle from the 19th, all right? So it was pretty much, it was booming yesterday, all right? But I want to show you something, okay? Like I said, these are daily candles. So the first thing I'm going to show you, let me look at the monthly, all right? So let me show you a comparison. So you see over here where I have my cursor at, that was January 1st, 2018. All right. So what just happened? All right. 2 years later, almost to the date, huh? 2 years later, the price came back and pretty much went over here and made that high. All right. So this is Ethereum had hit an all-time high. All right. So typically what do currencies do when they hit an all-time high, or pairs or something like that, all right, you know, it's gonna do one or two things: really go up or come down. But usually when you make a high, it's gonna come back down and retest the level, and then it kind of wants to make a higher high, you know, just to keep up with that momentum. But I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you to get in or invest in anything right now. I'm just letting you know, because it is projected for this to keep moving up over time. And we can see over the history of time, that's what it's done. So let's go back really quick. All right, go back to this daily. So y'all can just see what it looks like on a day-to-day, how the price has been moving. As you can see, overall, this is a bullish pair. Bullish means the price tends to go trend up over time. Bearish means the price is going down. Okay. All right. So let's just go here. Matter of fact, I want to go a year back from today. All right. And just see what was going on then. So can we just do that? Can we do that for y'all? All right. Do this really quick. So this is what, January 2020. Look here, family. The price of Ethereum was about $160 to $170, right? Last January. So the price started moving up, got up to about 280. Okay. You know what happened at last year in March, all right? Everything, you know, the economy, all that was doing a heavy retest, and AKA people calling it a crash. But look how amazing this is, right? Look how amazing this is when you have a different insight of what's going on, family. Remember, you know, when Bitcoin went down to about 3,000, 4,000, look how low Ethereum was under, what it says, $89. It peaked there, so you probably would have had to snipe it. All right, but it got below $90 for one Ethereum. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you. I was asleep at that time too. I wasn't even, like, I was just getting ready. I was just tapping in with this stuff. So I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was asleep right here. This was the perfect time. You know how many Ethereum you could have got for $90? All right. And now if you would just held it out over time, today is worth what? Worth what? At this current moment, about 1,380 USD for one. All right. So you could have just bought that one, and you held it over time, you know, it'd have been worth close to 1,400. Or, you know, you could have been using it, putting it in the savings and letting it accumulate. You know, there's different things you could have done. So, you know, I understand that we in this time where we're not sure on what's gonna pop, what's not gonna pop. But we know two things. If we go over to coinmarketcap.com, we can check BTC, and we know that's like the biggest commercial coin ever. And then you got Ethereum is number 2, and you know, they build on all type of platforms and social media sites and all type of stuff using that program. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all that, man. That's a quick update. Let me go ahead and look at Bitcoin for y'all as well. All right, now Bitcoin, it kind of moves similar, but that not all the time. All right, not exact. So right now Bitcoin is about, you know, this is just roughly around 36,000, about almost 36,000 according to this Coinbase chart. All right, it had reached like 42,000. All right, a few days ago. So right now it's kind of consolidating in that general area. You know, retested a little lower, and it's gonna see if it's gonna go higher or lower. But if you just come back down here, let's go look at a year ago, just like we did with Ethereum. All right, let's go just look at a year ago, January. Here we go, January, round about this time. All right, round about this time, one Bitcoin was like $8,000, right? $80,778 around this time last year. Of course, all right, people say, man, that's too high, right? People thought 8,000, 10,000 was high. Well, guess what? During, just like I was saying before, during March, look at what this price dropped down to, under $3,900. All right, so you could have bought that there, or a piece of it, and held it and let it play out over time. All right, but it takes a skill and savvy investor or trader rather. All right, I'm not giving you any financial advice, none of that on here. All right, it takes a skillful, savvy trader or investor to know what, buy at the low and sell high. So typically that's what happens. Okay, when price spikes down here, you know, people are panicking, people are selling. All right, but you know what somebody else is doing? Somebody's buying right here so they can get the best position, because what, Bitcoin is projected to go up. It could hit 100,000, family, or 80,000, 100,000. You know, and that's coming towards the future. So keep your eyes on that if y'all interested in cryptocurrencies. Let me get back over here real quick. All right. So that's that. All right. But I wanted to just give y'all some insight. Once again, a quick update. Look, Ethereum been going up. Bitcoin been going up. You know, there's some other ones. Polkadot. I mean, there's plenty of other ones. Like I say, go to coinmarketcap.com, do your due diligence. Check out decentralized finance. All right. Stuff that's dealing with that. And look into getting you even a cold wallet, something like a Ledger or a Trezor device. What those devices are is they're pretty much offline devices. You know, they can be small as a USB or kind of a little bit bigger or something like that. And that's not a device we're using you for size, but you know, and when you want to use it, you can plug it into your computer and access it there. Okay, so that way you can kind of be off grid and not deal a lot with these other wallets what's holding your money. One of the main important things I want you all to realize before getting into this space is that when you get any type of wallet, all right, some platforms are using the KYC, to know your customer methods, you know, scan your eyeball, your thumbprint, and all that. Some other places, all right, they have a little bit more privacy. What they do is they give you a 12 or 15, 16 step security key code, all right. They might give you 12 different words like cat, dog, shovel, sombrero, something like, you know, they're just gonna give you 12 random words. But what you want to do is keep those written down in a safe place, because that's how you're gonna access it. So for instance, if you have a Trezor wallet or something like that, and you have this security key code, and you maybe you lose the device, all right, so you can get another Trezor device, and you're just going to access the information again by having that security code, because that's just the way that it works. Okay, but if you lose your security code, you won't be able to actively get into a lot of your wallets, and there's people out here who has lost their Bitcoin. So that's just something to be aware of in this digital space. And if you're not into digital monies and currencies in this time, I get it. You can always still go out and get the commodity stuff, and specifically dealing with you know, gold and silver and things of that nature. All right. But to each his own. I just want to give you a quick update on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, and you know, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all tap in. We in 2021, and don't get left behind. Peace. See y'all next time.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be
Oh yeah,
broke.
man. If y'all want to go check out crypto.com, there's a link in the description. All right. Get you a free Visa crypto.com debit card. If you want to get the versions where you can get free Netflix or free Spotify, you can stake, and when you stake, you know, you get $25 of free CRO. Staking is just like having a CD or a money market account, or you know, you're pretty much making interest on your crypto. All right.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.